talking. She's talking on the phone. I can see she's holding and using the phone. You think it's funny? Yes, so doesn't matter, you still get 6 points if you're here in the UK. You don't have any danger from me. It's probably a foreign plate, huh? LB64YSJ. That one's dash mounted, which is not good, but it just passes the legal boundary.